We're here as a part of our Alzheimer's Association Advocacy Day, and we're here with a group of very energized advocates to advocate for state priorities that we've established. We have two right now that we're advocating for. One has to do with dementia training for guardians, for state-appointed guardians, and the other has to do with protections for memory care facilities, that right now there's no requirements for anyone that's a state licensed memory care facility to have any types of training or any types of services provided, so they can set up shop and not do that. So we think it's a consumer protection issue, but they do need to offer the training and services they're saying they're going to. So we're trying to help as many people as possible. For example, if one of these things were to pass, it should help thousands across the state. It really makes a statement. We have our purple sashes that we all wear, and people notice it immediately when we're walking around, especially with so many people. They notice that we're here for support and we're here for a reason, and we all have a story.